Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of Honor 10 Lite. This is a retail sales package of Honor 10 Lite. The MRP mentioned on the box is 17,000, but you can get it from Flipkart for 14,000. And here are some of the specs. Now let's remove the phone from the box. I have ordered the 4GB 64GB variant. Here is the phone. I have ordered the sapphire blue color variant. Here is the phone. At the back it is mentioned as AI camera. It's a dual camera setup. Let's keep the phone aside and let's see what we got inside the box. And as usual we get a case with the phone. Here is a transparent case, and in the box we get the SIM ejector tool. Here is the SIM ejector tool. And we also get a quick start guide and warranty booklets. Inside the box we have the travel adapter with Huawei branding, since Honor is a sub-brand of Huawei. The output of this travel adapter is 5 volts 2 amperes, and we get the data cable. It's USB to micro USB. Now let's see how the cover looks on the phone. This is how the default cover which is provided in the box looks like on the phone. It doesn't provide any protection to the screen. See, in case of fall, your screen will crack, so it is better to buy a good quality cover. This is how the phone looks. Let's remove the sticker at the back. Okay guys, I have peeled the sticker at the back. This is how the phone looks in your hand. The phone looks very light. Let's try to power on the phone. I will go to the setup process quickly and I will get back to you. Okay guys, the phone has been booted up. This is how the user interface of Honor 10 Lite looks like. Let's go to the settings and check the version of Android. Go to settings, scroll down and go to system. Click on about phone. Here you can see that the phone runs on EMUI version 9.0.1. Out of the box the phone runs on Android version 9, that is Android P. Now let's go back and let's see whether we got any update for the phone. Click on software update. Now the phone is up to date. Now let's look at the physical overview of the phone. The phone has got 6.21 inch Full HD Plus display and a dewdrop notch. It has got a 24 megapixel AI front facing camera. At the top you got the SIM tray, and to the right side you got the volume rockers on up and down and the power button. And at the bottom you have the speaker grill, micro USB port for charging, headphone jack. To the left side you don't have any controls. Coming to the back, it has got dual AI camera. One is the 13 megapixel and another one is the 2 megapixel depth camera. And you got the fingerprint scanner and Honor branding at the bottom. This is the physical overview of the phone. Now let's look at the SIM tray. Honor 10 Lite has a hybrid SIM slot. You can either use 2 nano SIMs or 1 micro SD card or 1 nano SIM. Coming to the specs, this phone is powered by Kirin 710 2.2 GHz octa-core processor. I have ordered the 4GB RAM variant which has got 64GB internal memory, and one more variant is also available, 6GB RAM and 64GB internal memory. This phone supports memory card up to 512GB. This phone comes with some pre-installed apps such as Facebook, Netflix and so on. Let's test the camera. Let's open the camera app. This phone has a AI camera, so you can turn on the AI camera. Let's take few snaps with using AI without AI. I have taken a photo using AI. Now let's take another photo. Now I am going to take one more photo by disabling the AI. See, when I turn on AI, it is automatically detecting it is a car. Now let's take few snaps using the front facing camera. See, it is asking the permission to save the direction. Let's take a photo by disabling the AI. I have taken few photos using the 24 megapixel front facing camera. The photos taken using AI are coming pretty good. I will take few more photos using this camera and I will attach them at the end of this video. For those who are looking to buy this camera, I will give the link in the description box. Please do check that. It will help the channel. That's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.